Here at CSUF, our Counseling and Psychological Services, better known as CAPS, located here at Titan Hall, claims to provide a robust array of services to help students in support of their mental health issues. However, with the recent surge in mental health concerns in a post-pandemic world, it leaves them many challenges as they try to provide many of their outreach and services along with their issues with limited staffing. Over the last few years, 60% of college students across 373 campuses nationwide met the criteria for one mental health problem. This according to Healthy Mind Study. This is certainly a cause for concern for college students, and it's apparent that they are aware of it.
I feel like I've definitely noticed just a small change from I've been aware of from people day to day, just whether it be being down or just having a bad day. I think I've definitely noticed it more since the pandemic.
The CFA recommends a ratio of 1,500 students per full-time counselor. For Cal State Fullerton, however, the ratio is nearly 3,000 students per counselor.
I think it's really inappropriate. Not only is it not reasonable for students, it's also not reasonable for the counselors themselves. Firstly, students in general, I was writing an article about this the other day, college students in general are at the highest rates of mental illness that they've had ever.
The overarching question from all of this are what are possible solutions?
I feel like they just need to have probably a better outlook to people that maybe don't really think that they need that kind of service, whether it be pop-ups throughout the month just for people who wouldn't actually go to seek the service. Maybe if they see it, then they'll go and do it.
They could also expand their hours because 8 to 5 isn't necessarily reasonable for students that maybe work during the day and have classes in the evening. I think also just more kind of accessibility.
There are certainly alternative possibilities that CAPS can consider. In Fullerton, Colin Costigan, CSUF News.